Your tarot card readers are awesome. Yes, they are. And I'm having a new batch of tarot card reading, just in case any of you want to study it, be a part of my team. I actually take 2 workshops a year. I teach tarot twice a year. I just finished a workshop last month, but on popular demand, I suddenly had so many people come in and say, I want to study tarot, I want to study tarot. So I'm having another master class. I call it a master class because it is to master tarot and it's not a hobby class. So all the people who are interested in, learning it for kicks, please don't do this class. It is a waste of your money. Because it is really a professional class and you learn to read tarot professionally. How is my class different from any other class is that when you go to medical school, right, you got to learn to be a GP, a general physician, before you become an ENT or a gastroenterologist or whatever. So you have to study it all right. All of our different disciplines don't take as much time, but you need to know all facets of it. You need to know tarot, you need to know about chakras, you need to know about energy, you need to know healing, you need to know feng shui, vastu. You need to know it all to kind of put pieces of the puzzle together. So if a client comes to you and he's asking you to read his cards and then he's actually got nazar and whatever, you also need to know healing on how to remove it. So you need to, it doesn't necessarily mean you're going to practice everything. You need to know dowsing, you need to know about crystals, you need to know about remedies, you need to know it all. So which is why I teach a master class where I teach you all the modalities that make you a professional. Pooja says, is it an online class? Yes, it is on Zoom. Alright, and there are 4 modules to it. The first module is the Zen Tarot. Alright, that's the first deck. It's the foundation of you being a tarot card reader. Okay, so that's why it's a mandatory deck to learn when you study with me. And you get certified at the end of an internship, which is 100 readings that you will do. So the first deck is basically your foundation of knowing how to deal with people, coach them, counsel them. It's like a philosophical foundation and deck. It's not like, you're not going to be a clinical, shallow tarot card reader. So the Zen deck is the first, then there's remedies, then there's feng shui and vastu, and then there's a Rider-Waite deck. So the mandatory module to learn is the Zen Tarot deck with me. If people want to study with me, let's say a Rider-Waite deck, I do not teach just that. I teach from the basic way up. So if a person wants to study with me, they have to really go with my method because my way of teaching is very different. For example, Ekta has learned tarot from 2 other people before she studied with me. And she herself says that, your way of teaching is so different. Like, you'll never have to look at your notes. So people who want to join the tarot master class, we're starting a class on 23rd. Hopefully, if the cards come by then. And you can also order your deck of cards. We are going crazy trying to find a decent deck. And if you want to order that, you can do that as well. And so yeah, you can join the class, but it's only for serious people. Please join the group. It's a Telegram group. Ria has posted a link of it. If you want to join, I'll be happy to have you in my class. I'm going to say people, a lot of people ask me, can I learn tarot? Will I be good at reading? If you're someone who's too, who's too logical, who's too like 2 plus 2 is 4, like you just don't have like a, your brain or your imagination doesn't go wild, you're not creative, you're not expressive, like you're this very, very, like left brain person whose right brain is not really that thing, then tarot can be very, very tough. It can be very tough. Your readings will be a little more, a little more constipated. But if you're like very self-expressive, a little creative, a little crazy, then tarot is for you. Sheila, just a question. Tarot could be studied by anyone. Aren't people with great intuition and with divine guidance work well for them? Well, that's what a teacher actually teaches you to get to. That's why my teaching is very, very different, because I make you get connected and get that divine connection. I make you learn a lot of those things. So you have to have some kind of, kind of sensitivity, I would say. And that's all. If you're sensitive, if you're aware, that's great. Aarti Rai says, how many days does it take to learn? Honestly, darling, I don't even know. I don't even count. I don't count. I wish Ria or one of these people can share how long it takes. I'm never counting. Sometimes I'll teach a card and then I'm not satisfied, you know. In one of my batches, in one of my batches, I would teach a card because somebody was in a hurry to learn some of the cards really quickly. Jaldi karo times. And then I would just not feel satisfied in the next class. I'll repeat it again. Like, I have to feel happy with the way I'm teaching. So I don't really count hours. I don't really know. I think it takes some 20-25 hours for one deck. Something like that. I'm not sure. Vinod says he's already learning astrology and something. So yeah, if you feel that you're very psychic, for people who are naturally psychic, intuitive, you can learn. For people even who are not, as long as you have the sensitivity and you, like, you know, if you've ever done, okay, one of the tests I can tell you to do is go to my YouTube channel, all of you who want to learn, okay? Go to my YouTube channel and do the chakra meditation and do the full moon meditation. If you're able to connect with your guardian angel, or if you're able to see something in your meditation, in all probabilities you're going to be able to read cards. Alright, because my way of teaching is psychic tarot. It is not clinical tarot. I don't make you like a software program. My way is very, very different. So when I teach people tarot, I don't teach them A plus B plus C. Like, you'll sound like a, you know, like Google. You'll sound like Alexa. You know, you'll say, okay, what does my reading say? And you say, this one says this, that one says that, this one says this, that one says that. So you'll just be like a computer program. So that's why I don't teach like that. My style is very free flow. Very, very free flow. So that's how it is. So if you guys, if you want to learn the free flow, and the main thing is, guys, you have to connect with your teacher. Like, for example, some people may not connect with me, then I'm not your teacher. You have to feel that connection with the person who you're learning from. If you feel that, you know, I want to learn from her, it has to come like अंदर से, you know, जैसे वो अंदर की आवाज आती है ना, मन की डकार, like that, like अंदर की आवाज, like I want to learn from her. Like, I would have certain people that, you know, certain teachers I would look at and say, I want to learn from her. I want to get coached from this person.